This is a list of diplomatic missions of Slovakia, excluding honorary consulates. The Slovak Ministry of Foreign Affairs oversees the maintenance of these missions. As of December 2013, Slovakia maintained 90 missions abroad, including 64 embassies, 7 missions to multilateral organizations, 9 consulates-general, 1 consular office, 1 Slovak Economic and Cultural Office and 8 Slovak Institutes. Africa. Egypt. Cairo, Embassy. Ethiopia. Addis Ababa, Embassy. Kenya. Nairobi, Embassy. Nigeria. Abuja, Embassy. South Africa. Pretoria, Embassy. Americas. Argentina. Buenos Aires, Embassy. Brazil. Brasilia, Embassy. Canada. Ottawa, Embassy. Cuba. Havana, Embassy. Mexico. Mexico City, Embassy. United States. Washington, D.C. Embassy. New York, Consulate-General. Asia. People's Republic of China. Beijing, Embassy. Shanghai, Consulate-General. Georgia. Tbilisi, Embassy. India. New Delhi, Embassy. Indonesia. Jakarta, Embassy. Iran. Tehran, Embassy. Iraq. Baghdad, Embassy. Israel. Tel Aviv, Embassy. Japan. Tokyo, Embassy. Kazakhstan. Astana, Embassy. Kuwait. Kuwait City, Embassy. Lebanon. Beirut, Embassy. Republic of China, Taiwan. Taipei, Slovak Economic and Cultural Office. South Korea. Seoul, Embassy. Thailand. Bangkok, Embassy. Turkey. Ankara, Embassy. Istanbul, Consulate-General. United Arab Emirates. Abu Dhabi, Embassy. Uzbekistan. Tashkent, Embassy. Vietnam. Hanoi, Embassy. Europe. Albania. Tirana, Embassy. Austria. Vienna, Embassy. Belarus. Minsk, Embassy. Belgium. Brussels, Embassy. Bosnia. Sarajevo, Embassy. Bulgaria. Sofia, Embassy. Croatia. Zagreb, Embassy. Cyprus. Nicosia, Embassy. Czech Republic. Prague, Embassy. Denmark. Copenhagen, Embassy. Finland. Helsinki, Embassy. France. Paris, Embassy. Germany. Berlin, Embassy. Munich, Consulate-General. Greece. Athens, Embassy. Holy See. Vatican City, Embassy. Hungary. Budapest, Embassy. Bekiszaba, Consulate-General. Ireland. Dublin, Embassy. Italy. Rome, Embassy. Latvia. Riga, Embassy. Macedonia. Skopje, Embassy. Moldova. Chisinau, Embassy. Montenegro. Podgorica, Embassy. Netherlands. The Hague, Embassy. Norway. Oslo, Embassy. Poland. Warsaw, Embassy. Krakow, Consulate-General. Portugal. Lisbon, Embassy. Romania. Bucharest, Embassy. Russia. Moscow, Embassy. St. Petersburg, Consulate-General. Serbia. Belgrade, Embassy. Slovenia. Ljubljana, Embassy. Spain. Madrid, Embassy. Sweden. Stockholm, Embassy. Switzerland. Bern, Embassy. Ukraine. Kiev, Embassy. Uzhhorod, Consulate-General. United Kingdom. London, Embassy. Oceania. Australia. Canberra, Embassy. Multilateral organizations. Brussels, permanent missions to the European Union and to NATO. Geneva, permanent mission to the United Nations and other international organizations. New York, permanent mission to the United Nations. Paris, permanent missions to the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development and UNESCO. Rome, permanent mission to Food and Agriculture Organization. Strasbourg, permanent mission to the Council of Europe. Vienna, permanent mission to the Organization for Security and Cooperation in Europe and United Nations. See also: Foreign Relations of Slovakia. Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Slovakia. References: Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Slovakia.